Welcome to the world of ALP astrology. Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. This is Nitya Shankar, your ALP astrologer. I offer my humble pranams to our ALP Guruji, Shri Podudai Murthy. What is life? Life is an experience of a series of various events. The most important event in our lives is marriage. Today we will look into a horoscope of a client who had a first marriage which was unfruitful and wants to know if he has a second chance. Let's now look into his horoscope. His ALP Lagna is Pisces. His Lagna Lord is Jupiter, holding the lordship of the first house and 10th house, and is positioned in the 6th house to ALP, which is Leo. This is not a very beneficial place. The Lagna point is travelling in Revati second quadrant, D9 indicating Capricorn, which is the 11th house to ALP. The Nakshatra Lord is Mercury. He holds the lordship of the 4th house and the 7th house and is positioned in the 10th house. We also have Sun, who is the 6th house Lord, in conjunction with Mercury in the 10th house. The 6th house Lord and 7th house Lord being in conjunction could cause some disturbance to the natal in his married life if he doesn't strike a balance between his work and his personal life. Now coming to the vital question of second marriage. The primary house to be seen for second marriage is the 11th house. The 11th house Lord Saturn is placed in the 7th house, which is a beneficial aspect. From the 7th house, he is aspecting his 7th view to ALP Lagna. We also consider the second house to ALP for second marriage. The second house Lord Mars is in the 6th house to ALP in conjunction with the Lagna Lord Jupiter. From the 6th house, Mars is aspecting his 8th view to ALP Lagna, and Jupiter is aspecting his 9th view to the 2nd house to ALP. We also notice that the 3rd and the 8th house Lord Venus is placed in the 11th house. This indicates that the natal has a hidden relationship at his workplace. On inquiring, the natal was affirmative about the relationship. So, from this analysis, we see that the 1st, 2nd, 4th, 6th, 7th, 10th and 11th houses are connected and very congenial for the second marriage, as the D9 is also currently travelling in the 11th house to ALP. So, we informed the client that he can proceed with his second marriage. He was very happy. For any related queries to ALP, do visit us at www.alpastrology.com. Thank you.